Alright, let me show you the house. If there was a hood in Italy, I think I'd live in it. I don't know what this shit say though. I mean, what this stuff says. But I'm gonna translate this when I get back in the crib. Something about love something. Oh, whatever. But this is my road, balcony, little car, alleyway. This is my door. Oh, almost fell. Don't mind the noise. My couch, the big screen TV with the new antenna. Got the whole kitchen area, the stove, refrigerator, freezer. I got this spiral staircase up to the bedroom. Oh, almost fell again. And this is not my bedroom. That's my teammate. But this is mine. Got the window with the little balcony. That's my closet, I guess. That's my bed. I gotta change the bed sheets. And then here goes my other closet. Got the new phone. But you can't even dial no numbers on. Lights. Oh, light switch. And here goes the bathroom. I don't have a light in the bathroom. All right. Sink. Toilet. Butthole spray. My shower. Then a washing machine, because they don't have dryers out in Italy. They just hang everything. And that's about it.